Flirt. Yun. Gusto lang sana kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Ginawa ko to kasi hindi naman kita mabati sa personal kasi nag-aaral tayo. Low, exam bukas. Kaya good luck sa'yo, good luck sa atin. Kasi ginawa ko to kasi baka ito na yung last na magkakasama tayo sa birthday mo. Kasi syempre hindi mo naman natin masasabi kung magkakasama pa rin tayo, diba? Ngayon, college na, hiwa-hiwalay na tayo ng school. Pero, alam ko naman na makakasama pa rin kami. Just tayo pa. Yun. Basta, lagi mong tatandaan na, nandito lang naman kami lagi para sa'yo eh. Yun, salamat sa lahat, sa pagsama sa akin sa galaan, sa pakikinig ng mga sekreto ko, mga kalandian ko, basta kung ano-ano, alam mo na yung lap trip natin lagi. Tapos, siyempre, thank you sa pagtitiwala sa akin kasi nag-share ka sa akin. Salamat. Huwag mo sana kalimutan yung friendship natin. Tayo, first. Wish ko sa'yo, sana makatapos tayo. Sana, hindi natin makalimutan yung isa't isa. Sana ganito pa rin yung friendship natin, ganito pa rin ka-strong. Tapos, yun, stay young, wild, and free. Yung kanta, moves like Jagger, kasi di ba may meaning sa'yo, alam mo na yan. Moves like yun, basta yun, alam mo na yun. Tapos, ayun. So, kung makakalimut, kung magkaroon ka na ng boyfriend, ito dito kalalamin sa amin. Kasi, sa dami ng kalimutan mo, first time mo na magka-boyfriend. Tenso ka, yun. Basta, gusto lang kami para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Flirt. I love you. Ayun. Pokers and friends forever. Happy purpose forever. Kundi dahil sa'yo, kay Alex, kay Jay, kay Lee, and kay Dana. Dahil sa inyo, masaya yung high school life ko. Alam mo na yun. Yung pagkakas natin. I love you. I love you, Pokers. Happy birthday.
What time is it where you are? I miss you more than anything. Back at home you feel so far. Waiting for the phone to ring. It's getting lonely living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town. Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight. Going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken Travie, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. It's just the last girl that played me left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the head. Just keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and
If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you can hit it, sing along and take me by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite